Hey guys, this video is going to be about limits, and I'm going to teach you how to solve this particular limit. So over here you are met with this question: limit x goes to 0, x cotangent 5x. So I'm going to give you some time to solve it for yourself before I start. Be comfortable to pause the video if you want. Alright, so when you approach this question, maybe the first thing that comes to mind would be direct substitution. Like what your professors would probably say, use direct substitution first. So that is what we're going to do right here. If we use direct substitution, we get lim x goes to 0, x cotangent 5x. And if you use Pythagorean identity, you could make it x cosine 5x over sine 5x. And then after you do that, you could just plug in the values, but that doesn't really get you anywhere. It gets you to 0 times 1 over 0, which is equal to 0. So we know that direct substitution does not work. So there is definitely other ways to solve this. And here I'm going to introduce lhopital, which is a way for solving this limit and many other limits you will see in the future. So using lhopital for this question, you're going to get lim x goes to 0, x over 1 over cotangent 5x. So that is what you're going to get if you use lhopital for the first step. And to be honest, the first time I've learned lhopital, I was kind of confused by it. But use x over 1 over cotangent times 5x, because if you look at it for an extra second, you're going to notice that that is basically the same as this, but just rewritten a bit. Do you get what I mean? Alright, so after that, we get limit x goes to 0 or approaches 1 over secant squared 5x times 5. That is what you should get. And then yabba yabba, you skip a few. Get 1 over secant squared 5 times 0 times 5, that's how it should look. And then after reaching this step, the end is pretty clear, and I'm pretty sure you could do this by yourselves at this point. You're going to get secant squared parentheses 5 times 0 and parentheses times 5 is equal to. Now, if you're still confused with this part, just know that that part is equal to 1. Just 1. So 1 times 5 is equal to 5. Here you go.